I'm Giovanna, Art Connects You and Me. My video is about art, tech, design, music, food, and green. If you like my video, share and like with your friends and family. Share and like with your love. Hi, I'm Giovanna. I'm going to show you how to do the perfect fried rice. The most important thing before I start the video is the rice itself. You cook the rice at home. There's like 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of water, regardless what type of glass. If you use a martini glass, it's also just 1 glass of rice and 1 glass of water. This is my personal plate. This is Kokuho Rose Rice. And this is the rice. It's a white rice. One really good benefits about white rice always can make me sleep like a baby. Sometimes really like a comfort food. White rice all the time. And the other thing is white rice is perfect with any type of a sauce. I'm going to make some fried rice. Cut the scallions and the tomatoes. Fry the eggs first. This is a fried rice, so I'm going to make like a scrambled eggs. Okay. Now I'm going to add the fried rice. I want to make little spicy, so I'm going to put some Tabasco. I want to try these sweet chili ketchup. Pepper. It's pretty much ready to eat because the ham is already cooked.